Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Lovable to GitHub. So you can link your Lovable AI project to GitHub, which means that you can collaborate on the code and edit everything right at the source. So first, once you're inside your Lovable, pick the project you want to connect to GitHub. Now look at this GitHub icon in the top right corner. Now click the Connect GitHub. So this lets you to do two-way sync, so everyone can collaborate easily. Now click the Connect project again, and this opens a GitHub windows where you will see your integration. Now click Connect GitHub again. Then a pop-up will ask you to log into your GitHub. Just enter your email and password and then sign in. After signing in, you will need to authorize Lovable. Just click authorized and boom, you're just there connect. Now all you have to do is add your Lovable workspace to GitHub organization. That's why you need to click add organization and then install authorization. And you can pick specific repository or select all. So for this video, I'm going to choose all, then click install and authorization again. And now I have to give my password. So for this, I have to wait for a while. And all I have to do is now just click continue and then connect. Now you have a two-way sync. You can even clone the project using this HTTP link, and that's it. That's how you connect Lovable to GitHub. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and catch you in the next video.